Defense stocks are quietly becoming one of the hottest sectors in the market again. Everybody focuses on giant companies like Lockheed Martin and Palantir. There are smaller companies like BBAI, Castellum, and Redwire that investors are watching very closely right now. Some are focused on AI, some on cybersecurity, and some on space and defense infrastructure. So in this video, let's break down all three and why people are paying attention. If you want more videos on stocks like BBAI, Castellum, Redwire, or other stocks in the defense or space sectors, please comment below what it is you want to see in future upcoming videos, and please hit the like and subscribe button if you do enjoy the video. Now, first off, we're going to be starting with none other than Big Bear, which today, at the time of this video, closed at $4.20 and has a bullish one-year projection at $5.24 from the current price levels. The company has become one of the most talked about smaller AI defense stocks in the market, and Big Bear, they focus heavily on AI analytics, decision intelligence, defense contracts, and government-related AI systems. And now recently the company had mixed earnings. They missed EPS expectations, which disappointed some investors initially. But one thing a lot of the bulls continue focusing on is the long-term AI opportunity, especially as governments and defense agencies continue pushing harder into AI-driven surveillance, predictive analytics, logistics, and battlefield intelligence systems. Honestly, Big Bear AI has become one of those high-risk, high-reward type of AI setups investors keep watching because of the overall AI trend and hype around artificial intelligence that both me and you know, that even the most casual of investors understand and can see in the mainstream media. If you enjoy my content, please hit the like and subscribe button. And if you ever need help making better decisions with investing, simply take a look at the first link below to get access to my community and support yourself with like-minded investors and get access to the world's leading AI models, Claude, Gemini, OpenAI, and Grok. Get all of this software for $7 in my community, and my community is free. So the next company that I'm going to do a quick overview on is Castellum CTM. Again, another company that Claude has bullish one-year projections for that currently closed the day on 68 cents. It's a much smaller company than Big Bear AI. But what makes investors interested is its positioning. They're positioned in cybersecurity, defense tech, electronic warfare, signals intelligence, and government-related analytics. And one thing, and just one thing that separates CTM from bigger defense contractors is they focus more on specialized niches instead of trying to completely, be in direct competition with more giant companies in the defense market. Investors, what they also keep paying attention to and pointing out for the ones that are bullish long-term is the improving financials, the lower debt, the stronger cash position, and management talking about scaling the company significantly larger over time. And obviously, definitely right now, CTM is very speculative, but a lot of long-term investors see this as a potential early-stage defense growth story if execution continues improving. Now, the next company that I want to talk about is Redwire. Let's talk about Redwire. Redwire is one of the more interesting space and defense infrastructure companies, in my opinion. The company, it operates in satellite systems, space infrastructure, defense-related aerospace tech, and next-generation space manufacturing. And as space becomes increasingly tied to national defense and military strategy, a lot of investors believe companies like Redwire could benefit long term. And quick shout out again to the Profits AI app. It does have bullish one-year projections as well. Currently closed the day at $11.55 and has one-year projections at $14.44. Space is becoming a major category, not just a science fiction growth story. And with governments continuing to increase their spending tied to aerospace and defense systems, Redwire has stayed on many investors' watch lists. And the bigger picture when we tie all these stocks together is I think the bigger trend here is the AI, cybersecurity, defense, and space technology. Those industries are all starting to heat up and overlap more and more. And that's why investors continue watching companies like the ones mentioned today, which is BBAI, CTM, and Redwire. Now, obviously, all three of these are still risky stocks, but they're also tied to some of the fastest growing trends in defensive technology right now. But I want to know again, because I always love getting y'all's input. What do you guys think about these stocks, and which one are you most bullish on long term between the three? And please, if you did enjoy the video, hit the like and subscribe button. But with that being said, David-InvestQ ending the video. Stay safe, keep making good decisions with your long term portfolios, and I'll see you on the next video.